Welcome to the Mathematics MI channel. In this video, we are going to solve this interesting question. 1 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial, and this is going to 9 factorial. Okay, how to begin? Well, first we can rearrange this product like we can write this is equal to here 1 factorial we know 1, then 2 factorial we know 2 times 1, then 3 factorial we know 3 times 2 times 1, then 4 factorial we know 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and this is going to we know here 9 factorial. We can write 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, then now here we have 1, here 1, here 1, so we know 1 we have 9 times, so we can write here 1 raised to the 9 power, and except this number we have 2 8 times, so we can write 2 raised to the 8 power, and then here we have 3 raised to the we know 7 power, and also 4 raised to the 6 power, then 5 raised to the 5 power, then 6 raised to the 4 power, then 7 raised to the 3 power, 8 raised to the 2 power 8 square, times here 9 raised to the 1 power. Okay, then also we can write we know 1 raised to the 9 power 1, and here we have 2 raised to the 8 power, then here 3 raised to the 7 power, and here we have 4 we can write 2 square, 2 raised to the 2 power, so we can write 2 raised to the 2 times 6 12 power, times here 5 raised to the 5 power, and 6 we can write 2 times 3 raised to the 4 power, so 2 raised to the 4 power times 2 times 3, so 3 raised to the 4 power, times here 7 raised to the 3 power, and 8 we can write 2 raised to the 3 power, so 2 raised to the 3 times 2 we know 6, and 9 we can write 3 square. Okay, now here we have 2 raised to the 8 power, here 2 raised to the 12 power, here 2 raised to the 4 power, here 2 raised to the 6 power, so we have 2 raised to the 8 times 12 8 plus 12 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 6 30, so we have 2 raised to the 30 power, then 3 raised to the here 7 power, and here 4, so 7 plus 4 11, and here 2, so 13 power, so 3 raised to the 13 power times 5 raised to the 5 power times 7 raised to the 3 power. Okay, now the question is how many perfect square divisions of the product. Okay, then now this number if we have as a perfect square divisions should be we know this is the form 2 raised to the 2 times I am going to write n1 times 3 raised to the 2 times n2, here I put 2 because perfect square, so then here 5, so 5 raised to the 2 times n3 times 7 raised to the 2 times n4. Okay, then we know here n1, so we can write 0 is lower than or equal to n1 is lower than or equal to, now here 30, now here 2 times n1, so here 15, and also if we take n2 we can write here n2 3 raised to the 13 power, so here 6 because 6 times 2 12, so here 6, then if we take n3 we know now here we have 5, so here 2 times 2 4, so then here n4 here 0 we know here 3, so definitely here 1. Okay, now we know here we have 16 terms, we can take here 16 terms here in 1, so we can write 16 times here we have 0 to 6 we have 7 terms, so then we have 3, then finally 2. So if we simplify this, we have 672. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you for watching.